I'm going to make a video today how you can replace any windshield at all. It's super easy in the cheapest way possible with a minimal amount of tools and knowledge. Like literally, so easy. So this is a Dodge Ram, has a broken windshield, and I will show you step number one. So this is step number one. Just pull up your local Safelite auto glass. Just watch to the end and I'll explain why. So yeah, it took less than an hour for Safelite to put this brand new windshield in. And as you can see, like, it's brand new. And I actually did buy one at a junkyard for 75 bucks, a windshield. It was good shape. But they broke it when it was coming out. It was the only one I could find around here. They gave me my money back, but so it was 75 bucks for a used one out of a junkyard. And I had an online coupon for Safelite for like $25 off. So for Safelite to put it in, brand new windshield, do everything. I didn't have to do anything. Literally take it there, drop it off. They did it within an hour. It was 175 bucks. So it was only $100 more for a brand new windshield installed with a lifetime warranty. So yeah, if you ever break a windshield or something, don't even mess, unless you can get one for free, you know, and you're on the budget or something like that. But honestly, for 175 bucks for a brand new windshield with a warranty, just do that. It's so much simpler.